Let's look at the dictionary operations. Creating dictionary is simple. I just need to open a curly brackets and give the key, colon, and the value of that key. Let's say the name is Krishna. Now to insert another key value pair, we have to separate it by a comma. Age, colon, 30. City, let's say Mathura. This is my dictionary. We can print the dictionary. We got a dictionary. We could check the type of this object by using the type function. It's a dictionary. Now, if you don't give any key value pairs in the dictionary, it creates an empty dictionary. So empty dictionary is just curly brackets, empty, print empty dictionary. We could also use Dict constructor of Python to create a dictionary. Dict 2. I could use the Dict constructor. Name is Krish. If you look carefully, we are not giving inverted commas here because this is a constructor. We are giving just parameters. Age is 30, 31, let's say. And city is Vrindavan. Now I can print my dictionary. This is a new dictionary. Let's look at how to access elements from the dictionary. Now the dictionary, unlike lists, has a key value pairs. So we have to have methods to access the keys. We have to have methods to access the values, and we have to have a method to access both the keys and values. Now to get the values, we could just give the name of the dictionary and within square brackets mention the key for which you want the value. Let's say I want to get the value of age. So if I give within inverted commas and within square brackets the age and I print it, I'll get the value of that age. So we can get other elements from that dictionary as well, like the name. We could get the value of that key. Now there are other methods as well. To get all the keys from the dictionary, we use the keys method. To get all the values from the dictionary, we use values method. To get all keys and values from the dictionary, we use items method. You could see the items method gives a list of all the key value pairs, and the key value pairs are enclosed in tuples. So it's a list of key value pair tuples. We could also use get method to get the values from the dictionary. Let's say I want to get the age from the dictionary, so I would use dict1 dot get age. As you could see, we could get the age from that. Let's look at how to add elements to the dictionary. So we have the dictionary. If you want to add a new key value pair, you just need to write the name of the dictionary and within square brackets, you give the new key which you want to give. Let's say I want to give the email, and the value of that email is, let's say, krishna@mathura.com. That's it. Now I can print the dictionary. You could see that email is appended to the dictionary. What if I want to update this city to something else? So I want to update an existing value to a new value. To do that, it's the same method. We just write the name of the dictionary and within square brackets, type the key for which you want to change the value. I want to change the name of the city. So I'll write the city key here and equals what do you want to change with? I want to change the city from Mathura to Vrindavan. We can check our result by printing it. We could see that the city is changed from Mathura to Vrindavan. Now how to remove elements from a dictionary? We have the dictionary here. Let's say I want to remove the email. So I'll use del and name of the dictionary with the key which I want to remove. I want to remove the email. That's it. So print Dict1, the email is removed. What if I want to remove a key value, but I want to return the value associated with that key? Let's say I want to remove this age, but I want the value of it. So removed age is the dictionary name dot pop. This is the method, and I want to pop the age. So it removes the age and returns that value. Now I want to print the removed age, and I also want to print the dictionary. We could see the age is returned, and also the age key value pair is removed from the dictionary. I could use another method of pop item wherein it removes the last inserted key value pair. So in this dictionary, since city is the last inserted key value pair, the pop item removes this and returns the city value. Now pop item is dictionary1 dot pop item. Now print pop item and also print dictionary1. So the removed item or pop item is city, Vrindavan, and the dictionary now includes only one key value pair, which is the name, because we removed the age here and we removed the last inserted key value pair of city here. So the dictionary contains only the name. Now to clear all items in the dictionary, we use the clear method, just like we used in clearing the list. Dot clear print dict1. So this is an empty dictionary. Let's look at how to iterate through a dictionary. So iterating through a dictionary means there are keys here, there are values here, and there are key values there. So we can iterate through keys, we can iterate through values, and we can iterate through keys and values both. Through keys first. Let's look at how to iterate through keys first. Let's operate on the dict2 object. We got all the names of we got all the keys here. How to iterate through values in a dictionary. For value in dict2 dot values, remember this is the method we use to access the values in a dictionary. Print value. We got all the values of that dictionary. Now iterate through both keys and values. For key comma value in dict2 dot items, this is the method to access both keys and values. Print key comma value. We got both the key and the value of the dictionary using this. How to copy a dictionary? Simple. We use the copy method. Dict2 is dict2 dot copy print dict3, which we got the dict3, which is a copy of dict2. We also have something called dictionary comprehension, which is just a concise way to create dictionaries. So what is the syntax? Curly brackets, the expression of the key, colon, the expression of the value for item in the iterable if condition. So this is the syntax. Let's say I want to create a dictionary where the keys are numbers from 1 to 10 and the values are their cubes. So we'll write the name of the dictionary cubes, open the curly brackets, x colon x power 3, this is the cube, for x in range 1 to 11, print cubes. We got all the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10 with corresponding keys. Next, look at how to create a dictionary with strings. Let's say I have a list of strings. Now I want to have a dictionary with the key as the string and the length of that string as that value. So to do that, I'll create a dictionary comprehension with company, colon, length of that company for company in companies. Companies length, we got the key and the length of that key as a key value pair. Let's look at a dictionary comprehension with a condition. Let's say I want to create a dictionary where the keys are even numbers and the values are their squares. Even squares is a dictionary with x colon x power 2. This is the key expression and value expression for x in range 1 to 11, because we want the even numbers from 1 to 10. But there is a condition. So the condition is given by if x percent 2, which is nothing but the remainder of the number, and divided by 2 is 0. This gives all the even numbers with their squares. Print even squares. We got the even numbers from 1 to 10 with their squares as the values. Let's say I have a dictionary with keys as the alphabets, values as numbers. Now I want to reverse them. I want to swap them. We could use dictionary comprehension for this. So value and key for key comma value in the original dictionary, which is dict4 dot items. Print reverse dictionary. We could see the keys and values are swapped in this new dictionary. Let's say we have this dictionary. Now I want to get a filtered dictionary where the value is greater than 1. So the filtered dict4 is the key and values are key value for key dot value, key comma value in the original dictionary, which is dict4 dot items if value is greater than 1. Print the filtered dictionary. We got all the keys and values in this new dictionary for which the value is greater than 1. How to combine two lists into a dictionary? Let's say the keys are name, age, and city. The values are Krish, 31. You take each item for I in range of length of keys or values. You can write anything here. Print combined dictionary. We could get a new dictionary with the combination of these two lists. Now, enumerate function is a built-in Python function. What it does is it counts the indexes or indices of an object. This particular function has access to both the index and the item in a iterable, like a list or tuple or a string. So if you want to get the index of an item inside a iterable like a list or tuple or a string, we use enumerate function. So dictionary comprehension with enumerate is an interesting thing. Let's say we have a list of items: apple, banana, cherry. Now I want to get a new dictionary which contains the keys as the indexes of these strings. So index dictionary is index colon fruit for index comma fruit in enumerate fruits. Print index dict. We could see that Each item with its corresponding index is extracted and is made into a dictionary. So index 0 is apple, so the key is 0 and apple is its value. We could also give a default value from where it can start the enumerate. Let's say I don't want to have 0. I don't want to start the dictionary from 0. So in that case, what you could do is you could give a start value for it. Start it with 1. We got a different dictionary here where the value of key 1 is apple, value of key 2 is banana, and value of key 3 is cherry. You could use dictionary comprehension with tuples. So tuples are immutable objects which are enclosed in parentheses. Name Krishna. So this is a tuple. Age 31. This is another tuple. This is a list of tuples. In order to create a dictionary from these tuples, we use key colon value for key dot value in the tuples. Print from tuples could get a new dictionary. The interesting thing of dictionaries is it can store a variety of data types as its values. Like we can include a list as its value, we could include another dictionary as its value, and even we could use a different object, a custom object as its value. So this is an important feature of dictionary, which is why it is used in data modeling. Now what I mean by this is, let's say I have a student dictionary. The name is some Krishna. Age is, let's say, 30. Grades I can store in another dictionary. Like let's say math is 90, science is 95, hobbies is another key. This dictionary can hold list, it can hold dictionaries, it can hold other objects as well. So that is why dictionaries are important. Data structure in Python. These dictionaries are used for data modeling. These are the different ways in which we could do different operations in dictionaries.